The fear around AI in our industry is real, but what if it's not here to take your job? What if it's here to make you faster, smarter, and freer to focus on what actually matters? An entire week of animation work crunched into a single day. Sound impossible? It used to be for me too. Look, I get it. So, how do I actually do it? It all comes down to an AI-assisted workflow. My process starts with generating ideas and creating base assets, which used to be the most time-consuming part. Now with tools like Tripo AI and Luma AI, I can go from a simple text prompt or image to a foundational 3D model in minutes. This has slashed my concept and modeling time, taking tasks that once took days and compressing them into a fraction of the time. Then, to get my characters moving, I use AI motion capture from Deep Motion. It's fantastic for laying down a solid base of natural movement, turning a simple video into usable animation data. This isn't about letting a machine take over my project, it's about having an incredibly powerful assistant that handles the repetitive grunt work. That way, I can pour all my energy into the soul of the project, the performance, the art direction, and the story. And this hybrid model isn't some far-off theory. It's what professional artists and studios are doing right now to accelerate their work and stay creative. They're automating the tedious parts so they can focus on the human touch that AI can't replicate. If you're ready to master the tools that are defining the future of animation, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and let's build that future together.